We want to look at how we can simplify the following questions on the board under the topic indices. But before we do that, there is a property in indices which states that anytime a base raised to the power an exponent which is fraction, let's say m over n, is equivalent to nth root of the base, all raised to the power what? N. Now we are going to use this property to simplify this. So we have 27 raised to the power 2 over 3. We treat the 3 as a cube root. So we say cube root of 27 all raised to the power what? 2. And cube root of 27 will give us 3. So we are going to have 3 raised to the power 2, which will give us what? 9. Now we can use another approach here. Okay, 27 raised to the power 2 over 3. Now we use our 3 here as a determinant to find a number that will raise to the power 3 to give us 27. And we can see that 3 raised to the power 3 will give us 27. This 3 will multiply this exponent, which is 2 over what? 3. What can we do? This will nullify this. We have 3 raised to the power 2, which will give us what? 9. Now let's use any of the approaches to try question number 2 up to number 8 and leave the answer in the comment section. We want to see how we can simplify the following questions on the board using the property in indices which state that anytime a base raised to the power negative exponent is equal to 1 over the same base raised to the power positive exponent here. So from this we can say that we are going to have 1 over 16 raised to the power 3 over 2. Now how can we simplify this? Now we use our 2 here as a determinant, alright, to look for a number that will raise to the power 2 to give us 64, which will be 4 raised to the power 2. And it will multiply the exponent 3 over 2, alright. So we can proceed by saying that these 2 will cancel this, and we are going to have 4 raised to the power 3. And we can say that 4 raised to the power 3 will give us what? 64 as our final answer. Use the same approach to solve question number 2 up to number 6 and leave your answer in the comment section. Thank you. We want to look at how we can simplify the following questions on the board using the property in indices which state that anytime we have a fraction, let's say a over b, all raised to the power negative n, is equivalent to we reciprocating what is in the bracket b over a, all raised to the power positive exponent of n. And when we expand this, our b is going to raise to the power n, and we can have this. A is going to raise to the power n, and we can have this. Let's see how we can solve this question using this property. So first of all, we'll get rid of the negative here by reciprocating what is in the bracket. So we have 81 over 16 all raised to the power 3 over 4. The next procedure is we are going to expand, and we are going to have 81 raised to the power 3 over 4, 16 raised to the power 3 over 4. Now, we use our 4 here as a determinant to find a number that will raise to the power 4 to give us 81. And we can see that 3 raised to the power 4 will give us 81 times the exponent here, which is 3 over 4. We do the same thing to the 16 here. 2 raised to the power 4 will give us 16, multiplying the exponent 3 over what? 4. What can we do next? This will cancel this. We have 3 raised to the power 3. This will cancel this. We have 2 raised to the power 3. And what can we do? 3 raised to the power 3 will give us 27. Divided by 2 raised to the power 3 will give us what? 8. So this is how we can use this property to simplify this question here. Try question number 2 up to number 6 using the same property and leave your answer in the comment section. Thank you.